My people, on the left hand side, that building, that white building, I think it is said that that building will be the hospital for Portmore. I'm not sure, but I think that's what them say. Yeah. I think it's private too. Suppose it's private.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
Walk on, my people, walk on. Yeah. You don't know 876 by birth. And we at it again right now, people. Yeah, we at it again. Yeah, we're currently there in a Breaton, a Portmore. Old Breaton to be exact. You know? Yeah, man. Old Breaton we're there right now. Yeah. We're making way. Yeah, my people, we just do a little small drive through, you don't know. Just one of the garages to them this inner Portmore area. Yeah. Yeah, my people, as me say, when I look up garage here and them this inner city of Portmore. Yeah. Old Breaton. Yeah, yesterday are from, let me say, Papi Kill fill up. long time, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big up the people, Breaton, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man, so as you know, still, you know, Portmore, you know, surrounded, you have a few garrison pockets in a couple areas, couple little section. So you will find them, you get me? Yeah. Because right now too, you have like 6 east they're close to right, so you have 7 east where they're close. Couple little places too where they're close. You know what you think already. Yeah. Yeah, and a couple of the guys, the people, and build up them house too over here, people. Yeah. And a plating built up. A video not gonna be a long one either, you know. Just a little quick little tour and thing, you know. Yeah, my people. So, look there. Here you have it a while ago. Old Breaton. Yeah. And as you know, Sunday evening ball a roll. Yeah. Right now we exit out in a 70s ball a play up on the field. And we're gonna make our way up on Newland Road too. Yeah. But another little garrison area in a Portmore. That's how we are going right now, people, yeah. Go up on Newland Road. So right now we're currently there on Breaton Road, Old Breaton Road. Yeah, that's over there right now, people. Yeah. And as you see, we just drive, you know, through a little section of Old Breaton. And that's how we start from. Yeah. Look up part of Reed Spend there, so. We are about to go take it on Newland Road, you know. Right, you know, we're there. Out of one part of Portmore, them 85. Yeah, that's how they. Still the Breaton area. New Breaton, so we're close to phase 3, we're close to phase 1. You understand? Yeah. Out there, so them have one KFC. Everybody know it. KFC Breaton. Everybody know this. So we have the JUTC depot right in the vicinity. As a matter of fact, if we make the left turn, it would be the first building or the first place. Yeah. You get me? I mean, we can make the left turn, but me I go drive straight, go Nago Z side and then go up, yeah? That's how we are going to take it. Yeah. So out there, so them graph at Twitter as 85. Yeah, long time people them from Portmore know say I saw your name. 85. Yeah. Long time people them can give all history about out there, so when them come out as a catch bus people. Oh my God. Yo. Yeah, so used to ram up. Now my people on the left hand side, that building, that white building, I think it is said that that building will be the hospital for Portmore. I'm not sure, but I think that's what them say. Yeah. I think it's private too. Suppose it's private. I don't think it's going to be like a public place. You know, because you know people ever complain, oh, Portmore want to turn parish and them now in a hospital. Which a whole heap of things Portmore not have, brother. But you see me, I guess the hospital is one big thing for real, is it? So people normally complain about that and say, you're rare. So that building I just start about on the right there, so I think of that room to say at the hospital. And them say they might use a building for the hospital, so I don't know. I guess if I saw be the case and when it open, it will make the news, everybody will see it. So out of that section I know where them call Nago Z. Yeah. Yeah, so we have a bus park, taxi stand out there, so on the right side. Now my people, this is Newland Road. We make this left turn. Alright? Yeah. Alright, so now referred to as Newland stoplight. Road you see I run now from left to right. Them normally call this are like that would have be the 20 route. So them normally would have refer to it as, you know? Yeah, so yeah man, 20 route that. The road of course have an official name. I think a Breaton Parkway. But we just continue and make our way up Newland Road right now. Yeah, have a tire shop right just up on the left. And people are road full of bar. Be a bar, they the next door bar, where the next door bar, where the next door 2 bar. Yeah man. Almost every other, you know, business place on the road there is a bar. Yeah. But you know what them say other road there must our Walton Park Road have the most bar, I don't know. I'm not sure. Update me in the comment section still, let me know. What do you think? Alright, people know about this. Now, on my left hand side, you have West Cumberland. Nice community, people. Some huge houses over there. Yeah. Nice community. Alright, and this is still Newland Road. Yeah. Even though we kind of past the Newlands community, but yeah. And on my right hand side, you have Cumberland. I can't remember if them just call it Cumberland. Just like that. But I'm saying my left hand side are definitely West Cumberland. And over the right hand side a Cumberland scheme as well too. Alright? Yeah. And as you know now, Newland Road take we from round in a Greater Portmore and it a carry round on the other side of Portmore, which is Independence City. And you know them places now close to like Waterford, Gregory Park. Them area there, you understand? Yeah. So still in the Portmore section. Yeah, my people. So you see that one road they just chop from one side of Portmore to the next side. Just like that. Yeah. So right out as you know, this is the Independence City. Yeah, Independence City. Part of Portmore this, yeah. Alright, so what them people are doing on the road now? Them a sweep road? What them a do? Yeah, man, hopefully the sun not affect the thing that too tough, you know? Hopefully not affect the camera lens too tough, but yeah. Alright. And we're about to go up on the high 95 now. Yeah. Otherwise called Municipal Boulevard, okay? Yeah. Alright, my people. I don't know if you can see the gas prices right there. The light might be flickering because you know the camera lens with the LED it flickers most time. But yeah, gas price at Portmore, what that? 87 gas off $216.40. 90 at $222. Yeah, diesel at $256. Yeah, so it look right now in Jamaica, right? Yeah. And guess what? Just like that, my people, this is where we're gonna end this video right now. Yeah, you understand. So we start at Old Breaton and we reach around there, so we're about to go up on the 95. But this video is gonna close right here. So I just want to say big up on yourself. I appreciate you for watching. Just continue to support the thing, continue to like, share all of the good stuff. You understand? Yeah. Big up on yourself, my people. Enough love goes out, alright? Yeah.